Okay, so transforming your objects is very straightforward. We have three transform options of move, scale and rotate. So move is G, so you press the G key, then move your mouse and then left click to confirm. Or if you decide to cancel part way through, it's G, move your mouse and then right click to cancel. And that's the same for rotate, so it's R and then move and right click to cancel, left click to confirm. Similar for scale, if I press S and move, it's left click to confirm and right click to cancel. Okay, so that's the very simple way of moving it. I often want to restrict how I move my object. So if you want to restrict your movement or scaling or rotating to a particular axis, you press your transform key first. So in this case, I'm going to press G, and then I'm going to say I want to restrict it to the Y axis, and I press the Y key. Whoops, that was the T key. So now I can only move in the Y axis. So right click to cancel that. So similarly, if I wanted to restrict it to the Z axis, I press G and Z and move, and then left click to confirm, or right click to cancel. Okay, so that restriction works the same on whichever transform you're doing, whether it be move, scale or rotate. Okay, so the last one is then to exclude an axis. Say I want to move on the ground plane. I don't want to move in the x-axis. For that, you pressed your transform key, so in this case G, and then shift and the axis you want to exclude, so shift Z, and now I move just along the ground plane. So if I press G and shift Y, it will only move in X and Z, and the same for if I pressed shift X. Okay, so that is essentially transforming. It's the same method for everything. First of all, you press your transform key, then your movement axis if you want to restrict it. If you want to exclude an axis, you press your transform key and then shift an axis. I've got some notes on the screen which I hope will help you with that. Okay, so hope that's useful. Talk to you soon.